Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Start Easy Knowledge. It's English quiz time. It is know there are some very important questions that everyone should know. So let's start. How many alphabet are there? So first we should know what are alphabet. A to Z are letters are called alphabet. So the answer is there are total 26 alphabet in English. How many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. Name the vowels A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels in alphabet. How many consonants are there? There are 21 consonants. If we remove 5 vowels from alphabet, so there left 21 letters and that are consonants. How many parts of speech are there? There are 8 parts of speech. Name the parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. How many tenses are there? There are 3 main tenses: present tense, past tense, future tense. How many types of tenses are there? There are 12 types of tenses. Name the 12 tenses. Present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense, past indefinite tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense, future indefinite tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. So these are total 12 tenses. All these are types of tenses. In English grammar, what are the articles? A, an, and the. These are articles. Thanks for watching this very informative video. Please subscribe my channel Start Easy Knowledge. Share this video with your friends and family and like this.